Alright, Carl, we're going to try this again since you jinxed us the last time.
Yeah, Carl, why'd you jinx us?
You've been sending birds at us.
Sending ospreys just because you're jealous because it's winter up there still and nice down here. I got you.
78 degrees and you send a freaking bird at us.
Should I already go to expert takeoff or no?
That's up to you. Whatever you're comfortable with.
Alright.
You're the one at the stick.
Alright. Oh, yeah, the timer.
Yeah.
Alright, here we go. And the wind's coming the right way now. I don't see her yet. Does she see me? Okay, I'm gonna throttle back a little bit since I don't see her. Still nervous. Oh, I see her, I see her. I see her, I see her. Does she see me? Does she see me?
I'll just stay up there.
I am. She's not tracking me, is she? Yeah, she is. She is. Fuck. She's following. No, she's going away. She's going away. She's going away. No?
I got an eye on her.
Okay.
An eye out here too.
Yeah, I told her she came out quick.
Yeah,
She went by right by the tree, right?
she's below you.
No, I'm gonna go downwind. This is definitely her territory. How is she looking up? That's what I want to know.
She's a bird. I think their eyes roll, don't they?
Yeah, they do. They do. I hit the bump right there. You see that?
No, watch the bird.
Oh.
You watch the plane.
Okay, okay.
She is going up.
Hopefully she gets tired.
Well, once she sees that you're not doing anything, so you're good on your heading.
Okay. I don't like you flying this high, but
She is going higher though.
I mean I don't want to go out of range.
Right.
Is she higher? How high is she?
She's getting up there.
Shit! I hear her beeping at me.
Bring her down.
No, I'm definitely higher than her though.
Right, but not for long. She's
God.
climbing up right at you.
Yeah, she is. Alright, we're gonna do a dive here. This is just fucking nuts, dude.
Shit. That was awesome, dude.
No, it's not.
I know, but you just flipped right over her. You know what I mean? Like you guys did a double barrel.
I know, it's not funny. I gotta bring her down, dude.
Sorry.
I gotta go the other way though.
She's gonna try and cut you off. I'm behind you. Nice flight though.
Dude, no, it's
I
not.
got her. I got her. That was a good
She's
flight,
fast.
But you did a good flight.
Dude, I was full throttle.